Hey guys, in this video, we're going to go over how to integrate a Deepseek in Python. Now, before you can start with anything here, you first need to ensure that you have Python version 3.8 or higher. Okay, and then you need some required libraries. So for requests, you would need it for making HTTP API calls, and Python-.env basically for securely managing API keys. Okay, this is optional, but we recommend this one. And to basically install the necessary libraries, you use pip. Okay, so go ahead and do this. This is a code sample. And now you need your Deepseek API key. So visit the official website and navigate to the API section. Sign up for an account if you've not done that already. Get your API key. So this is what you do, okay? Go to the API management dashboard. Click on create new API key and then choose the appropriate access level you want to give for your project. Then you need to secure your API key, okay, because it's not a good idea to hard code your API key directly into your script. So you want to use environment variables or a .env file to store some sensitive credentials. So this is an example. Okay, you give your API key like this, and then you basically implement it into Python. Okay, this is a secure key management. Now you follow these steps, you'll have a secure and a good setup for integrating Deepseek into your Python projects. Really that easy and simple. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to frequently asked questions.